hello. Today we are doing red versus blue. And so you might be in our lobby, you might not. So, can I tell you something, guys? There's one problem. So, you know, if you saw that reminder saying we're going live in 1 minute, that reminder was fake. So, because for some reason it didn't let me go live on YouTube. So, we could not do live. So, I should have tested it out before. So, like, that's my mistake. So, well, we have a special guest here today. Gavin!
Hi.
So, every time Gavin readies up, it changes to out of this. So, I'm just putting it back on.
You ready up first.
Okay. Gavin, ready up. Okay.
Now it's working.
Yeah. I guess I had to ready up. First. So, well, I'll see you when we're in the game. So, guys, we're in the game. That stupid little glitch is happening again. The one where I cannot jump.
No, I know.
Yeah, it's been happening to me a lot.
Now I can jump.
Yeah, I had to, like, change my settings and stuff. So I'm going to be talking to some people while they're in the video. And we're on Team Red, okay? We're on Team Red, Gavin.
Okay, we're both on Team Red?
Well, you know what? I'm just not talking to anyone. Yes, we're both on Team Red together. We have to kill these people. I'm going to change my skin!
No, I didn't want that. No. Yeah, look at that.
Get this. Get this. Okay, I'll just see you guys when this is probably boring for you. I'll just show you my loadout after, okay? Bye. And I'm still recording, so I have to click options and stop. So guys, I picked out my loadout and I'm ready to go. Wait, Gavin, jump on the launch pad. What the?
Oh!
I'm flying to the blue team. I'm out. Okay. Get that blue person! We got 1 kill. We got 2 kills, but we're losing. Okay, Gavin. We're all red. And red is winning. I just hit him. You killed him. I hit him, okay? I hit that guy. I know, dude. I just killed someone. I killed Superman. Behind you! I got them up. I'm gonna kill him. I'll kill him, okay? Got him. No, someone sniped me. win. Right there! Bot kill! Yeah! We got 14 kills. Our team is winning. No! Did you die? For 100. Just gotta do one more. Almost got him. Got his gun. Yes, I killed him. Killed someone. Killed another person. No. Killed. Someone. You're on my side. You never win. My side, you die. Your side, I die. Probably. You're on my side though, dude. So you die. That person just sniped me from up there. Hit someone. Hit someone. Killed someone. Got him. I got him. Got another kill. No, somebody else killed me. At least our team is winning. Our team is winning because of you and me, Gav. I said our team is. Okay, if you die, that's okay. I'm still alive. And also, we're in creative, so like, this game mode is very. Gavin, I'm building a base. Got one person. Oh my goodness. Let's sprayer! Let's do the sprayer. Guys, I'm gonna build a base. Hold on, I'll be right. Oh my. Okay, guys, I'm back. I built the base, yes, but then it got destroyed. So, and now I cannot jump. Okay, for some reason I'm losing my skills. It's probably because of that sprayer named Oh! I'm losing my cow. We're winning because of me, Gavin, because I have 13 kills.
Wait, and you know what? I found my one good sniper.
Oh, you guys should have seen that. I'm so lucky I was recording that. Okay, I'm me. Actually, I'm me! You sneaky little. No! Okay, eat Brody's kid. I don't care! We need one more kill! If we get the next kill, that means our team's ahead of the blue team. If I kill this Lexa. Okay, we're back in the lead, Gavin. For now, but not for long. Not for long. Okay, we're still in the lead, Gavin. Blue team's losing. Blue team's losing it. Oh! Okay, we're still winning. No, we're not. We're losing. Wait, we're losing, Gavin! They have 5 more kills than us. I'm launching myself out of a cannon, Gavin. Once I launch myself out of this cannon, once I land, thanks for watching this video and goodbye. Hold on, I have to do my last minute emote.